Hi guys, I am bringing to you today the Keto box. It is the low carb care package for your body. This is a monthly subscription service. I will link the website down below. It is around $40 a month. Here is the information right here. www.theketobox.com, at the Keto Box, hashtag the Keto Box. I've been getting this for probably about 4 months, and there is a waiting list. It did take me about a month or two to get on this, but it's so worth it. I have found some of my best keto products in these boxes that I've continued to rebuy. Okay, enough with that. Let's get in here and let's see what we have for the month of August. Okay, so one of the first things we have is a full-size flax crackers, the original, by Foods Alive. And here's some of the information on it. 6 grams of protein, 7 grams of fiber, 5.75 grams of omega-3 per serving. Oh, and it does say right here, non-GMO, gluten-free. You can see that stuff. Okay, here's the ingredients and the macros on the back. Here's the ingredients. And then here are the macros. So the fat is higher than the protein. The carbohydrates are 7.5, but the fiber is 7, so they're basically 0 net carbs. And I've heard really good things about this, so I'm excited to try these. And this is a full-size product. Okay, this next is a full-size product as well. And this is something I've never seen before and I've never heard of. It almost looks like you could use this to make sushi. This is called by New Gem Foods Gem Wraps, all natural. 1 wrap equals 1 serving of fruits and vegetables, non-GMO, project verified. There's 5 wraps in here. That's pretty good. And here's a picture. It looks like amazingness. Oh, and there's a recipe on the back. And down here we have paleo friendly, calories per serving 25, low sodium 35 milligrams, gluten-free, and 5 grams of carbs. If that's true for 1 wrap, that's pretty good. Which it is. It's 5 grams of carb in 1 whole wrap. And here's the ingredients on that. And then here is the recipe on the back. Easy to make, easy to enjoy. Here's how to wrap. Peel the backing from the wrap and place shiny, smooth side down. Fill with your favorite ingredients. Wrap, brush the edges with water and let sit for 2 minutes and enjoy. So they put basil, greens, mozzarella cheese, balsamic glaze, and fresh tomatoes. So that is pretty cool looking. I'm excited to try that. Okay, this next thing is different. I've never heard of this either. This is the new crunchy, all natural avocado snack, it says. And it says senior avocados, smoked sea salt, freeze-dried avocado bites. And down here it says each serving contains 12 grams of healthy fats, 5 grams of fiber, and 400 milligrams of potassium. And you get 0.8 ounces or 23 grams in 1 package. It's super cute. It's pretty small. Like there's the size of my hand. This would be great to throw in a work bag. Okay, here's the back, and you can see everything back here if I hold it properly. And ingredients are freeze-dried avocado chunks and smoked sea salt. So this seems to be pretty legit. There's our macros. I don't usually eat avocado unless I just don't really eat it. I just don't really care for it. I could put it in a wrap, but I don't. I'm just not crazy about it. This might be fun to eat. Make a good snack. Okay, one of our next products is called a keto brownie, which always gives me pause if somebody puts keto on it. Blondie brownie, 18 grams of fat, 9 grams of protein, 5 grams of net carbs. Baked, soft, and chewy. We flip it over. And our serving size is 1 package. And our total carbs are 19 with 11 fiber, 2 sugars, 3 sugar alcohols, and 9 grams of protein. So it's definitely on the higher carb side. And here are our ingredients. So this is a little high for my liking, but you know, it might come in handy sometime if you're wanting to have a cheat day. Okay, here's our next product. This is a Chipotle pepper sauce by Brothers Brews. I don't know what this is, but anyways, the macros are like 0 on everything, and the ingredients are pretty simple. Apple cider vinegar, water, chipotle peppers, garlic, domestic and African spices, and xanthan gum. And it's certified organic. And this is a full-size bottle. Okay, here's the next full-size product. This is a garlic spray. And this is it's non-aerosol, eco-friendly, organic, everyday food made simple, simply beyond spray on herbs, the fresh herbs alternative garlic. Oil-based herb extracts. Here are the macros on the back and the ingredients. So that's pretty cool. I'm loving this box so far, all these full-size products. Okay, this next item, it comes with 2, and these look pretty neat to me. I'm a nurse, and I love these like travel, smaller size, like individually packed things. I don't necessarily like kind of the waste, that type of thing, you know, recycling, but anyways, Keto Mana, ketogenic chocolate wonder food, 1.2 ounces or 34 grams in a serving, 100% plant-based keto, brain food, 12 grams of MCTs per serving. So here we have on the back, you want to knead it fully, tear and squeeze. Who said eating keto on the go had to be a challenge? I second that. Loaded with ketogenic brain boosting MCTs, Keto Mana is a quick and seriously delicious way to keep your body and brain running optimally. Want to learn more, and it shows our website. Here are all the macros and the ingredients. I'm pretty excited about this. I'm gonna put this in some coffee with my self-stirring mug. Maybe when I have to work second shift or third shift and I need a boost without caffeine. Okay, the next item is another like travel size pouch. So this is 1 ounce or 28 grams. And it's kind of squishy in here. It's liquid, it seems. Natural burn butter, individual pack, grass-fed butter with MCT and avocado oils. On the back, here's our macros. Fat, lots of fat. Clarified butter, MCT oil C8, and avocado oil. I'm excited about this. This is right up my alley for convenience. And our next item, I'm very interested to try. This is by Tonics, collagen-infused pineapple and coconut water with other natural flavors. And it has 15 grams of protein, which I could do without the protein, but it's dairy-free, soy-free, no artificial sweeteners. And if you flip it around, it is 2 grams of net carbs. Let's zoom in on the ingredients. And so we've got erythritol 17 grams, which I would subtract that because it doesn't raise your insulin level. So I'm excited to pack this in my lunch and take this to work with me and try it out. Okay, so the last thing it came with was this card that gives you different discount codes here and tells a little bit about the products, which I saved these. I tuck these in this drawer down here, and so once I try things, if I want to order them again, then I know where to get them or what they were. Sometimes I throw away the packaging and I'm like, what the heck did I just eat or drink? So, all right, guys, if you haven't yet, check out the Keto Box. I think it's worth your hard-earned money. All right, thanks for watching. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and do that and give this video a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more, like it.